We were discussing the concept of secularism vis-a-vis pluralism according to the American system. You have seen the one of the main aspects of the system is education and facility. And in the same way, the Oliver Roy has expressed his views on socialism by dividing it social phenomena and the role of the politics, that is the state. In a system of the social behavior, activities, and the feelings of the people in society. If we are talking about the secular activities of the state, that is the political system of the state, he says that the Oliver Roy says that there is no political implications of the religion in the secular state. And he has expressed his views, which was published by the University Press, New York, in the year 2007. The social phenomena and no political implications. That was the title. And if we say that secularism requires to include no recognition as a such of the religion in the state affairs. But American system of secularism says that religion should not be recognized, of course, in the affairs of the state, but at the same time, the civil rights of the citizen, of the person, of the human society should also be recognized. It means the civil rights should be recognized and not the ideology of the religion in state affairs should be recognized. And under the civil rights, as you know, in some constitutional system, culture, these are called the fundamental rights. In some places, it is called the duty. Means, for example, the Germany, Japan, and in China also. And here, don't confuse the duties of the state, but here the civil rights are in the name of, in our constitutional, cultural codified system of the Suprema Lex. It is called the civil rights. But one of the civil right is Oliver Roy. I am discussing the Oliver Roy ideology and research paper of the Oliver Roy, published by University Press, New York, for the purpose of the application of secularism in the American countries. Under this civil rights concept, the state have the constitutional mandate, constitutional obligation to recognize the freedom of religion. But the state will not have any religious activity. The meaning is that the state will not involve in any religious affairs, according to Oliver Roy. And civil rights are bundle of rights. There is no limit of it. Please again think over it, that there is no limit of it. It increased and decreased according to the resources and the political system and the ideology and the resources of the state. And one of the right under this bundle of rights, unlimited rights, it cannot be said that it is only these rights which are written in a particular document of the country, but it includes according to the demand of the people, according to the civilization of the society, according to the resources of the society. Therefore, one of the right is which is called right to religion or freedom of religion. Under this freedom of religion, according to Oliver Roy, understanding of religion as a matter of choice. Oliver Roy says that, he tells that it is a matter of understanding based on choice of individual. It means the state will not interfere into the domain of the choice of individual, subject to or with the condition that unless that choice will not affect to another person or the society as a whole and the affairs of the state, which is called in simple language, the conditions imposed on the understanding choice of the religion under the secular concept of the state is that no one will violate by expressing the hate speech the peace and tranquility in the society. No one will disturb the peace, and everyone will exercise and will use or think over the own choice of the religious feelings subject to the public law and order, morality and reformation. This is the opinion of the Oliver Roy. And he said that this is called the own understanding of the choice on religion. It's called the privatization of religion. It is called, he has given the new term, the privatization of religion. The privatization of religion means it is a private right. And this private right is recognized by the state in the constitutional system. In some countries where there is a written constitution, this private right, it is a private right. No one can compel to another person to follow this religion. Even if within the family, member cannot compel to another member of the same family to follow this religion. This is the secularism concept, as the Oliver Roy has expressed his views. Therefore, it depends on the culture, one side. Another side, feeling of the individual person, and then identity of the person. It means that there are the three components. One is the culture. Second is the feeling of the religion of individual person. And third is the identity of that person, which can be calculated according to the mathematical principles that culture plus individual religion means the feeling plus identity is equal to the private choice of the person. It is a mathematical principle. The culture plus individual feeling plus identity of individual is equal to private choice, which is called the right to religion and freedom of religion. It is totally depends on individual. Oliver Roy, mind it. Then the limits of choice, as I have said that limits of choice is subject to certain social values. These are called the social values. And what are these social values? As I have pointed out, not to disturb the peace and tranquility in society, not to interfere into the domain of another's liberty, and to not to defame to another person, and not to speak in a way so that it will amount to the hate speech. And hate speech means a speech of individual if will normally the disturb to the feeling of another person, or in the society it will create some chaos and disturbances and violence, it will amount to the hate speech. Therefore, the culture, own feeling, identity is equal to the religious aspect is recognized according to the second concept of the secularism. First concept totally discarded it. Second concept is a moderate, it is a liberal, it is a soft, and it is a acceptable aspect in democracy because of the background of the human being in the society, because of the cultural historical system of a particular society, and because of the habits of human being. This is also the habit of human being, secularism. And then the European aspect is one side. Again, there are some component please in European system. One side there is a traditional aspect. Under the traditional aspect, there was a scenario, there was a political system. Even if it was in 17th century, middle of the 18th century in European countries, to run the country by order of the religious guru or religious teacher. That was the church, father of the church. Traditional approach, not to accept the secular approach. But another moderate approach was there, which was related to the scientific development in the society by adopting the moderate system of the polity, which tells that whenever there was the scientific development, every aspect, every behavior, every activities, every functions of the state analyzed on the basis of the why, what, when, and how. How, what, when means there was the discovery of, or there was to discover and to analyze it, not to discover, even if to analyze it on the basis of the why this happened, why it is so. This is called the scientific approach. And in that scientific approach, the traditional approach of the religious aspect, which was not the secular aspect, converted into the semi-secular aspect. It was a semi-secular aspect. And at the same time, there was the era of 18th century, there was the era of the economic development, the money power, and the industrialization, and workers' rights, and rights of the people who are engaged in various activities of the state. Concept was changed from traditional, when there was the order of the father of the church, to the person who was running the political affairs, converted into the moderate aspect of, or semi aspect of, the secularism. Automatically there was no written constitution, there was no phenomena, but only phenomena and reason was the scientific development in the European countries. And then that semi-secularism also accepted later on by the people of those countries, which is known as pluralism. Means where there is a scope for everyone, regardless of any kind of religion, regardless of any kind of the color, and the residence of particular area, sex, so on. Means everyone shall be accommodated as a human being. And of course, the traditional approach which had earlier in the European country tells about this world and the other world. And that other world was changed into the scientific development of the society, human being. And the secularism concept, according to this scientific development, entered into the legal framework. And that legal framework was the secularization of the affairs of the state. Secular and secularization. Secularization means activities of the state under the secular concept of the scientific development is called the secularization. Means the activities is called the secularization. And the state is called secular. Secularization is result of the secular. It is a result, just like a butter from the curd. Curd is secular and the butter is the curd is the curd is the secular and butter is the secularization. And then secularization activities, according to Lorenzo Zucca, ZUCCA, says that the political project means the political affairs of the state, relationship of the human being with the activities of the political system, and the role of the religion. The Lorenzo Zucca, one of the researcher, says about the political project, means political affairs, relationship between state and religion, and the legal system of the particular country, of the in the particular society. And that legal framework, that legal regime includes under the secularism, not secularization, the social, political, and the behavior aspect of the human being in society. Secularism includes the social, political, and social behavior of the human being in society, which is the subject matter of the law. It is called the content of the law. Content of the law in secularism polity includes, please again, it includes the society, it includes the political aspect and the polity of the state, and it includes the behavior of human being, which is called the social behavior. And if the law shall make law shall made by including all these three phenomena, what kind of is the society is there, what is the structure of the society, and what is the political system of a particular society, whether it is a monarch or it is a democracy, it is a federal, it is a so on. And thirdly, the social behavior of the human being, majority of the people. If majority of the people say that this is our religion, and the Zucca says that immediately suppose it will be changed at once or immediately and at a glance, then the society will not accept it. Gradually, the duty of the lawmakers is to analyze the feelings of the people and then act, or then to frame or to make and to legislate the law that will be accepted, but not in a traditional way or a way which is called the violation of the social values. Social values cannot be always tested on the basis of the religion. Social values have own relevancy, own status, according to the concept of the welfare of all the people in the society, all the groups of the society, and to protect all the groups of the society. He may have any kind of religion, means everyone can live with the dignified status and a respectable life, so that he can say that I am human being. I have the desire. My desire should not be interfered by anyone, unless the desire of that person will not interfere into the domain of another person's. Then the law will play its role to stop the affairs and activities of that person which is against the social values. Test is the social value. Then no doubt the social and political weight of religion and the political weight of religion can be differentiated by law. Can be differentiated by law. What side there is a weight? Whether the social values have more weight rather than the fundamental principles of religion. If the values, as I have stated, as I have told that the system is relating to the aspect of the social values, and in that social values the education plays its vital role. It's a great role. Education doesn't mean only to get the information. Education means to develop the capacity of understanding. And developing the capacity of understanding depends on the assessment and the analysis of right and wrong. Again, there is a system of the testing of right and wrong. Whether this will affect to another or this will be in the interest of another. Means the act and activity shall be in the interest of another person. Therefore, if one will say that I will behave with the another person as I desires to be, or as per my choice, the behavior should be done others in my affair or with me. This is called the social values. If I will be there and others will do like it, then certainly what I will feel, what I will think. That is the test of this system of education, of understanding, to strengthen the secular, to make it strong, and to make it practically applicable in the society. And for that purpose, the role of the state is very essential and very required principle of the is making strong the social values. And how it is possible? It is possible only by making law, by enacting law. The state of the role of the state shall come into picture by enacting the law to strengthen or to make strong the values in the society. And after the making the law, the another role of the state is to apply that law in real sense and it in its spirit. And then it can be said that this law, by application of it by the state, is a value system in the particular society. It is a value system in a particular society. And how it can be said that to strengthen the value system, to regulate the behavior of human being by the law, number one. Number two, if there is no proper behavior or it is against the social values, to control it, not only to regulate it, to control it. And so far the control and the regulation is concerned, there is some difference between the regulate and the control. In regulation, there may need, in the regulating process of the behavior of human being, there may not be the sanction. Sanction means the penal provision. It may be in the form of direction. It may be. But in control, there will be the penal, means the sanction will be behind them. If one will not follow it, then certainly that person who has violated that one shall be liable for punishment, and which will be called the corporal punishment under the principles of criminal administration of justice. Therefore, the Oliver Roy secularism, which he has written again in the title of The Conference with the Islam, published by Columbia University Press, New York, again. And they have analyzed the religious system with the secular activities of the state, and supported by the other writers of the feeling of the thoughts of these researcher. It may be Lorenzo Jucca, and Oliver Roy. Then some writers or some researcher have also said that secularism concept is infringement of the freedom of religion. And one of the thinker in this area is Gallo Bilbo Alvaldi. And some have said that political and legal practice of the secularism as it is existing in various countries where there is a democracy. Democracy means that the governance and government in the hand of the people. This is democracy. I am not quoting just the Abraham Lincoln, but the government and the governance, control of the government and governance is in the hand of people. It may be direct or it may be indirect. And in that system where there will be the direct and indirect control in the hand of the people of particular country, there will be the existing of rule of law. Means every affairs of the state shall be according to the principle of law which has enacted by the state on the demand, desire and requirement of the people of a particular country. And this constitutional recognition of the rule of law as a secularism in democratic countries recognize the freedom of religion. Some is rejected it, some has rejected it, still some are rejecting it. I'm not going to correlate it with reference to the other countries. So just switch off. अच्छा वो मैं देख लूंगा, तू इसको बंद कर अभी.